Rawe nibangite boga kenda gutigira Nthukî Mbîthî ni kugunika na utongeria nete gutejanirwa akiaria rigarune yawe ya Nairobi RAIS Ruto na inyirite Nthukî Mbîthî ni batongeria baruju na kobubu ni babatere gwikirwa ta Kenya bange.
When talent cannot find opportunity, dreams are delayed. Business struggles to find skilled workers, and our country loses productive potential that can never be recovered. That is why the government of Kenya has deliberately placed young people at the center of everything we are building. It is a promise we made and one we intend to continue keeping, that we will be deliberate and intentional in creating opportunities for our young people. Every civilization has passed on its knowledge the same way, one generation teaching the next. Before anyone becomes a master of a craft or profession, they must first become an apprentice. That is how skills are passed on. That is how professions are built. And that is how nations are built. We opened pathways to the digital economy, equipping more than 1.9 million Kenyans with digital skills and enabling the creation of 350,000 digital jobs, positioning Kenya as one of Africa's leading digital talent hubs. I say this with profound confidence that today Kenya is, I think in the latest ranking, we are country number 11 globally in business process outsourcing.
Concern as a government is how then do we